EDSA lives and cancel Chacha. This is the unified call of different groups. They gather to launch and express their reaction on what is happening now, especially the opposition to the charter change. They will hold a National Day of Prayer and Action at the EDSA Shrine in Mandaluyong on February 23. This will be followed by different moves and programs, along with the 38th anniversary of the People Power on February 25. Attorney Shel Jokno and Rafaela David, who will participate in the campaign, expressed that the steps to revise or change the Constitution should not be allowed since it's not really from the mass.
Palagay ko yung bago ngayon, yung paggamit nila ng People's Initiative bilang paraan para palitan yung ating konstitusyon. Ngayon lang natin nakikita yung ganitong klaseng push na mukhang hindi naman talaga galing sa taong bayan, kundi galing sa mga politiko. At yun ang isang dahilan kung bakit tinututulan namin yung proposal na magkaroon ng People's Initiative para amendahan o palitan o i-revisa ang konstitusyon.
Parang hindi naman economic provision lamang yung tinututukan. Kapag binuksan yan, marami nang pwedeng baguhin. At dun pa lang sa pinupush sa People's Initiative ay pinapahina na natin yung checks and balances.
They believe that instead of Chacha, the government should focus more on the pressing problems of the country.
Imbis na pag-awayan ng Chacha, our leaders must address the real issues our people have to face every single day. Ang sobrang pagtaas ng presyo ng bilihin, hunger, poverty, criminality, corruption, lack of income and employment, and access to fair and equal justice.
Therefore, they said, the necessary steps will be taken so that the Chacha does not continue and to further strengthen the freedom achieved during the past EDSA revolution.
Kung itutuloy nila yung People's Initiative ay malamang aabot yan sa Korte Suprema. Nandyan yung issue ng walang enabling law, nandyan yung issue kung pwede bang magkaroon ng revision sa ilalim ng People's Initiative, at mismo yung issue ba na pwede bang hindi galing sa taong bayan yung initiative na baguhin ang ating konstitusyon.
Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.